Hivers, welcome to Honeybee Stamping Hive, where a creative buzz is always in the air. I am Tashana Lundy, your independent Stampin' Up demonstrator in Florida, serving customers all over the United States. And today, we're going to be making a super cute card using the Peaceful Garden Designer Series paper, the Swirled Designs bundle. So that's the stamp set and the dies. And this was an online exclusive from November. And then we're also going to be using the lovely arrangement stamp set. And this is coming out in January. And it's an online exclusive as well. There are dies to this, but we're not going to use the dies. We're just using the stamps. And we're going to have a couple of other products, or maybe just one more. And I'll tell you about that when we get to it. But before we get started on our project, of course, we have to go over the buzzworthy business of the day. First, we have our special delivery paper pumpkin kit that's going to make 9 Valentines for love and friendship. We have Poppy Parade as the classic stamping spot. Beautiful Blooms dies, add-on dies are $13. Item number 168666. They're coordinating with January, February, and March paper pumpkin kits. I do have a link in the description box below for you to sign up for the paper pumpkin if you haven't already done so. Next, we have our mystery boxes. These are the medium flat rate USPS boxes that are stuffed full of new and used retired Stampin' Up product. I'm asking just $35 for each box. Shipping is included. Please email me at stampwithshana@gmail.com if you are interested. Next, we have our Stampin' Rewards program where you earn 10% on all orders $20 or more, excluding tax and shipping. Redeem those rewards on future orders, track and save rewards on online Stampin' Up account, and the rewards do expire 12 months after the earning date, okay? And that is all of our buzzworthy business for today. So let's get started on our project. Okay, so the first thing we're gonna do is some stamping. So I'm gonna get a piece of basic white here that is 1/2 inch by 2.5 inches. And we're gonna stamp our sentiment in Secret C. And it says, "Hello, friend." And I want to get this closer to the right side of our label here. Just like that. And then we're going to take the inside of our card. And this is basic white, 3.5 by 4 3/4. And I'm going to put our designer series paper that we're going to put in here. This is 3/4 by, and we're going to cut it down to 3.5. I just need that there for a second so that I can stamp my words on the inside that say happy birthday. And I want to stamp that right here at the right above our designer series paper. Okay, that's all we need this Secret C for. And then we're going to get a piece of designer series paper that is 5 1/4 by 4. And we're going to do some stamping in Misty Moonlight. And I actually need some scrap paper here. This is just some copy paper. That's our old paper pumpkin flyer. I recycle those and use it as scraps. So I'm going to ink this up and I want to stamp it off. I think I want my paper to go this way. And I'm going to put this about, let's see, about right here. About right there. And then I'm going to take the little splatter dots that is in this set, and I'm just going to stamp those off as well. But I'm putting them every which way on here. I'll put some right there. Then I think I want to go in some spaces with trying to figure out which way I want to do it. Just a little something a little darker, just like that. That's enough. Don't go overboard, Shauna. So that's all of our stamping done. So now we can go ahead and put things together. So I'm gonna start with our inside, and we're gonna put this little piece at the bottom here. And I want to just glue that down like that. Where are my scissors? We're going to cut off the extra bit there. Get our Stampin' Seal. so that we can add this to the not the inside, but onto its mat of Secret C that is 5 by 3 3/4. So we're just gonna take that and mat this on there. Just like that, okay? And then for our sentiment label here, I have some Secret C, and this is 5 1/8 by 2 5/8. Yeah, it has to be right. So we're gonna put these together, but before I glue it down, let me get my paper scissors here. I want to cut a banner in it. So I'm gonna line this up even on the end here, but right in the center. And I'm just gonna give it a cut, a snip, turn it over. Did I move it? Yes, I did. I turn it over because I do better coming in from this side of the paper. And I'm gonna snip it. That way I can line this up. And we're gonna glue these together. And I did this ahead of time because I do have a hard time doing these bannered ends with the scissors and getting them like I want them. Whoop. And I just stuck this down before it was right in the spot. Good thing I did it beforehand. So let me just bring in the one I did earlier. Because I just stuck that down and it won't move. It's in the wrong spot. Okay. So let me move this stuff out the way. Now we got that. So that's our sentiment. Then I have some more Secret C. This one is 5 3/8 by 4 1/8. And we're going to put this Designer Series paper onto it. Am I doing this right? Ooh, no. Now I have to get my silicone craft sheet because I didn't want that glued down yet because I have to cut something off the bottom. So I did use some of the, what is this called? Peaceful Garden glimmer paper. So I used some of this with our dies and some adhesive sheets, and I die cut 5, if I can find the dies. Oh my goodness, I just had them. I die cut 5 of these. Now I am using on this card the inside, the little diamond shape that came out from the inside. Okay, so I'm gonna take these. Let me see. One that's already halfway lifted up because there's adhesive sheets on the bottom of it. No. Oh no, I need this one to go on second. So let me do a different one. Do this one, and it's going to be about right here. Then I have another one that I want to put at the top. And I want that to be about right there. And we're going to take another one. Put that one about right there. Then we're going to have this one. Come on, backings. There we go. We're going to put that right there. Now this one, I want to put about halfway on. A little further down. Come up. I'm going to go a little further down. About right there, okay? And that's why I needed to cut this off. And I shouldn't have put the glue on there. Now I can put the glue on and put this onto its Secret C base. So let me move this out of the way so I won't make a mess. We're going to put this onto the mat, not base. I guess it is the base for this, but it's a matting layer. Just like that. Now this piece, we're not going to waste it. I'm going to put this on the inside of our card right there, just like that. So now we have all of the things done. Let's start putting stuff together. So we're going to take this and put it on the inside of the card base, which is thick basic white, 8.5 by 5.5, scored at 4 1/4. We're going to have that right here on the inside. Happy birthday. And then this one is going to go on the outside. Right here, like this. That little tiny border. Okay, and then we're going to get some Stampin' Dimensionals to pop up our sentiment. Just 3. Let's remove the backings. And this is going to go right here like this, just like that. And then to decorate it, we're not getting any bling. I used some more of the not the adhesive sheets, but I did use adhesive sheets, but the glimmer paper and the dies. Don't drop it. So I have 3 little stars here from the dies, and we're going to be using these. So I think I'm going to put this one, this open one, and I do believe it was on adhesive sheets because I cut it out the scraps of the other ones. If I can, this is a tiny little piece to get this adhesive off. There we go. There we go. I'm gonna just put that about right here, like that. Then these 2 little ones are gonna go at the bottom. If I can get, they're so little, it's hard to get my nail in there. You guys have to excuse my fingernails. I got dye and stuff stuck under there. Ink. It dyed the skin under my nails, so it makes my nails look dirty, but it's just ink. Okay, so that's that card done. Isn't that cute? Hello, friend. And then on the inside it says, happy birthday. I think that is super cute and simple. Now, I did use the outside diamonds on this, and I made another card, and it says thank you. So I did the same thing, and I set the images up a little different because these are bigger than this, so I couldn't do it exactly the same. So on the inside of this one, it says so very much. So thank you so very much. And I used that little piece that I cut off from here right there. Okay, you guys, that's it. That's all. Don't forget to leave a comment, like, share, and subscribe. And as always, I would like to thank you for buzzing by the hive today. Until next time, buzz you later. Bye.